Sorry, I'm putting you on. So, plans have changed. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Khoza and I am a South African YouTuber based in Johannesburg, South Africa, and I'm back with another vlog. Yes, oh my word. Yeah, I started out the morning with some reading, cooked for my family. Sorry I didn't cook with you guys. I know some people said they love the cooking segment, but I feel like I'm going to be cooking the whole week because we are indoors because of the rain. So I didn't want to have too many cooking sections, you know. So yeah, I cooked some Sam and some chicken stew. I didn't even take a photo of that and it looked so nice. But I think because when you're cooking Sam, you tend to cook the whole day, and then by the time you are serving the food, everybody is hungry, you know. Like my baby devoured her plate. Okay, like she ate finish. But yeah, I just wanted to open the vlog doing my nighttime day planning. So I don't plan for the whole week on Sunday, I just plan for the day. So I'm doing my Tuesday plan, and which is not much, guys, because it's going to be raining the whole week. So there's not a lot that I'm doing. Yeah, and also my garden is suffering because of this rain, and I think a lot of people are suffering because of this rain. Yeah, I don't really have much planned for now. I'm just editing the vlog that's dropping this Friday, and obviously starting this new vlog. And yeah, that's about it really. It's not much. Today I called my dad to ask him to bring bikes for me. So he said he's gonna bring 2 bikes, which is nice because I can learn, and then my husband can like cycle with me around. Our estate has a park, so as you guys saw, I think 2 vlogs ago, that's where I took my baby for a walk and we saw the ducks. So there's also like a little path where kids can like ride their bikes. So I think I'm gonna learn how to ride there. It feels much safer than in the road. Yeah. Okay, guys, the vlog is officially over. Hey guys, so today is a different day. Still raining. Ooh, this rain, guys. But my husband sent me to Clicks today to go get him something. I also want to cook some mash for my baby to have for lunch. And read the Bible as usual before I get to all these other things. But yeah, it's just going to be a chilled day. I thought I would repot, but let's see how the day goes. Maybe I just might repot my plants, but we'll see how the day goes. Guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I freaking get so lazy when it's raining. Like, why is it raining? Well, I love rain, but like not constant and consistent rain. Oh, yuck. Anyway, see you guys on the flip side. This is what I'm wearing today. Very chilled vibes. Yeah, just gonna run errands, read the Bible, cook for the baby. Yeah, that's all. Hey guys, so I'm about to start my Bible study. Once before I just start scrolling on Instagram and as going bora bora that thing so but yeah, I'm about to get into my Bible study. Let's start with my daily declaration. I just want to read you that and then I'm going to proceed and do the Bible study by myself. Today is the 18th of February. Today's word is from John 8 verse 12. And then the title says, follow his light. Then Jesus spoke to them again, saying, I am the light of the world. He who follows me shall not walk in darkness, but have the light of life. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. These are nice. Apparently, you can also find this at Take a Lot. It's still early in the year, so I think you can, yeah. And then what I usually do, because I'm not reading the Bible as a whole, I would usually just open, and the page that I open, I will read the chapters and the verses, I guess, in the book that I opened. I especially get excited if I open Psalms because it's Amahubo, like in Zulu, the book of Psalms is called Amahubo. So it just makes me happy to read the chapter that, the book that I named after my child. So, yeah. Oh, I did that wrong. 1, 2, 3, go. Why am I opening Proverbs all the time? And I read this already, but this is a different chapter. Is it because this Bible... We're reading from the book of Proverbs. But I'm not going to read this all out, guys. I'm just going to go through it. It's like I'm a crazy person. Nilal. Sorry, sis. I'm bringing my logo. you believe I'm only going to Clicks now? The real reason why I came here. So I'm at the parking lot now, about to leave, and I'm looking at this Fortuner parked next to me. This Fortuner has that thing, you know, the yellow thing back in the day they used to lock the steering wheel with. Like abantu baphila kabuhlungu. Like yo, I wouldn't yo. But apparently it's the car that gets hijacked the most, you know, because apparently it shares the same quantum engine quantum, so that's why by keeping this 5 rand for the parking guy. And one thing about me, I will complain when I don't have money, but now when I do, I don't. Thank you, Bangatina. Alrighty, bye. So yeah, G. But I hate how I come to the stores and just buy everything. But it's mostly stuff you need, you know. But when you leave the house, you don't know you need those things. But hey, anyway, let me not vlog and drive. Choo choo. Let's make some supper. I first started spicing my fish because I think I'm gonna make some fish. Well, not I think, I'm making fish and veggies. My husband obviously is gonna have the veggies, so I thought I should just make myself a fish on the side with his veggie dish. Yeah, as you guys can hear, the baby girl is watching Miss Rachel. But yeah, let's cook. Good morning, guys. Today is another day, and today we are going to Luffy for some measurements for wedding outfits. I'll tell you all about it soon enough. Hi guys, like I said, we are going to Luffy. I think she's in Midrand to do some measurements for wedding outfits. Yes, I'll tell you guys closer to the time who's wedding and stuff. But yeah, we are excited to get like family outfits. Well, at least I know I'm extremely excited. Yeah, let me give you the address so we can put in the address. So, measurements. Hello.
It's a mannequin.
Hi, mannequin. We are finally at Luffy D's place, guys. It's so pretty. I showed you guys all these mannequins. There's like literally almost a factory full of clothes everywhere, and I think it's ready to wear traditional outfits. I think they look amazing. I can't wait for what we are gonna put together. Sabona zinhle. Oh man, this is brilliant.
When we do our photo shoot,
Cut off cuts.
What do you
Don't,
do with
don't.
them?
we throw them away because it's quite annoying.
Hey guys, so we just came back from Lufidi to do our measurements, and yeah, I was so inspired walking into her space, guys. What she has built for herself is incredible. It's beautiful beyond words could ever, I'm so proud of her. I'm just like, wow, lady, you did that. It's an empire. It's an empire, and it was so beautiful to witness. So yeah, we back home now, and yeah, me and my husband are gonna run an errand and then come back. There's literally not much to do after this. Okay, man. This one is watching TV. She also got her measurements done. She's gonna look so cute. I love the dress, and she already, my child is gonna look fantastic. Morning, guys. So today is literally the next day after we went to Luffy, and yeah, I'm about to have a meeting with a brand. So excited. I'm crossing fingers that we get to work together and that it's like mutually beneficial, because you know when you're starting out sometimes things can be beneficial to the brand more than you. So I'm just hoping that yeah, it's a great working. I almost said it's a great working environment, as if system savings in somewhere. But essentially, what I'm saying is that I just hope that it works and it's mutually beneficial for all parties involved. So yeah, I'm gonna set up in Emma's room because I'm trying to get away from her, so I can't do it. Also, I need a Wi-Fi extender to work in the office. Our office is a little bit far from the lounge, so the Wi-Fi doesn't get to that room, and I do not have enough data to do this meeting with data. So I'm in her room and the Wi-Fi reaches in her room, so I'm going to have the meeting in here. Wish me luck, guys. Yeah, guys, so I don't think it's gonna work for me to be this side because I don't think the Wi-Fi is reaching Emma's room. So I have to go to my bedroom. But I'm reading. Oh. I'm busy getting like one bar, and I'm looking for like at least, oh, here we go, 2 bars. Here, let's do this. At least I have a freaking chair in here to do all of this. Oh, I've logged myself in and I must go get my phone. No, it's just
I'm
like
getting excited about it.
no, of course. I think also because of my experience with it, it worked for me, things that I love so much, and like this product has done wonders for me. It's so good, it's so good. I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it. Thank you so much, guys, and yeah, we'll talk some more.
Right, have a lovely weekend.
Thank you, you too, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, I had a good meeting. No, that was amazing. Honestly, it was amazing. I just hope we have an amazing journey of working together. Why do I say work environment? In my head, it's like work environment, staying at home. But yeah, I look forward to hearing from them, guys. This is amazing. I forgot that thing where I just recently had to. Oh, let me call Samuel got a missed call from her. I now have to work on my other things. Hey guys, so I'm quickly going out to go get some bread because I want to make French toast for my baby and I for brunch today. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm driving a different car today and I must tell you that I'm seeing flames, okay? And I'm so glad that I'm trying it out, just going like to the shop to get bread because it's wild. So it's a different car. So my car, so you indicate on your left. With this car, you indicate on your right. So every time I'm trying to indicate, I turn on the wipes. Wow, whoa, and then it keeps on doing this. Hey, Bantla, let's go get bread.
Okay, you go there. And then you go to like I say already before, say for some help. And everything else is okay.
Hey guys, so I'm back from Pick and Pay. As you guys saw, I decided to go to the bank because it was just right there. I had an inquiry to do with them. But first, I want to show, yes, no, that's that. We're done with the bank and stuff. But I would still need to go back like tomorrow or something. So sorry that I'm whispering and also the machine is on. I just realized now, but I want to do a quick haul for you guys of what I got at Pick and Pay. I got some bread. Love these so much. I got these as well, my fave. I got some cheese grillers. They're gonna go well with my dish today. I got some mushrooms just in case for something that I'm cooking tonight or tomorrow. And some knickknacks. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Let me start making my French toast. I'm so tired. I'm even falling asleep sitting on the couch with the baby. And that time I haven't done her night routine. She needs to bath. She needs to eat. She needs to brush her teeth. She needs to better. All of these things. Oh, I'm a mother. Anyway, guys, let's not do anything. It's just the end of the day. I'm thinking of making like ramen noodles for my family and some chicken. Yeah, quick, easy peasy stuff, because I don't know, I just got tired. Or should I take it like a baraka? Maybe I should take a baraka or something, just to like, I don't know if I even have a baraka. Let me check if I have baraka and maybe take some baraka. And yeah, I'm tired. I don't know. We went to the park with the baby to go see the ducks and like play, but as soon as we got to the park, she's an astronomer. I'm the one walking. I was so tired. When we came back, I was so tired, and it can't be like me walking to the park that got me tired. Anyway, I'm busy uploading this week's vlog. Today's Friday, and yeah, it's going up at 6 o'clock. Somebody was like, please don't upload it as a live. The thing is, I think, guys, when it premieres, it goes as a live. My battery's low. It goes as a live, and then after, maybe if it's a 40-minute vlog, after 40 minutes it becomes a normal upload. So I don't think I can change that, but if I can, please tell me in the comment section. Morning, guys. Morning. Today is Sunday. I should put on my earrings, and we're going to have breakfast with some friends. So I thought I should take you guys along. Let's go. So plans have changed. We're just going to have Hi guys. Mntana muzobulisa.
Hi guys.
Icathulo ziyamlingana. Okay. Guys, this was our wedding venue. Treasury, how pretty is this entrance? So gorgeous. Another chapel, you guys. Can't zoom in, gahle, but I think that's another. So we didn't get married in this chapel. We got married in another one. Let's go. Leave the bag. Let's go. So it's a horsey. Look. An animal. were still nobodies.
Yeah.
Yes. Abakumbuli. Bafuna understand kanjani bebakuphi. Because we were telling the staff here that we got married here because they were taking pictures with Bonko now. So they're like, how? So we're like, yeah, we were nobodies, so you wouldn't even remember us. That is so funny. But yeah, guys, we are done with brunch. We're going home now, so my hubby can rest and the baby can nap. And yeah, that's it for the day. And I'm thinking that's it for the vlog, because I have to start a new vlog in a day or two. Maybe take Monday as a break and start a new vlog on Tuesday. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. We had a good time at Jolie. Bonko didn't like what he ordered. They quickly changed our order and literally gave us complimentary drinks. So they're just nice people here. So it was nice also bringing Amma to the place where we got married and stuff. Cutest thing ever, okay? Cute vibes. I'm wearing this long jean skirt. Angikwazi ukuhlala kahle. Buka sayithraka wena.
Oh.
Hey,
Hello.
man.